Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about bookkeeping services for general contractors. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribe. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Today I want to talk about bookkeeping services for general contractors. So general contractors is a very unique industry and I like providing bookkeeping services to them. I have a lot of bookkeeping clients that's general contractors. The examples of general contractors are carpenters, electricians, drywaller, plastering, painter, wallpaper installer, heating and air conditioning. These are few examples of general contractors. Also, they all have to file their taxes like any other business. Therefore, they need their accounting and bookkeeping up to date and in order. So the owner of the business can make strategic and timely decision. For example, whether to purchase more material for a particular job, to whether to invest in more labor to get a job completed quicker, so he can have some revenue to run his business. One thing that makes bookkeeping for general contractors unique is job costing. So, what is job costing? Job costing is the accounting where you account for all the expenses and revenues by job, and which helps to generate reports to show how profitable any particular job is at any given time of the job, whether it is completed or in progress. Therefore, understanding job costing as a bookkeeper is very important when it comes to working with general contractors. Bookkeeping services is very important to general contractors because one, you will be able to budget with the help of bookkeeping. Budgets are critical for a company's performance. They are essential financial rules for the company's success. You will be able to access your financial information and monitor your income and expenses with the help of a bookkeeping service. Next thing is organization. The proper organization of financial records is critical. You will be able to access your financial information at any moment. This will be beneficial to the general contractor if they decide to apply for grants, loans, or even new investors. Business analysis. You can easily manage your cash inflows and outflows, profit and loss, by studying your financial statements. Bookkeeping is used to evaluate and identify your company's strength and flows. Bookkeeping also help general contractors with better decision making. With access to all of your company's data, you can make the right decisions. Bookkeeping gives all factual information about your firm, allowing you to make growth-oriented decisions. Tax preparation. When tax season arrives, bookkeeping will make it easier for the general contractor to file their tax return. You won't have to worry about rushing for receipts and invoices because all of your records are properly documented if you organize your earnings records appropriately. Attracting investors. Investors want to know about your company's financial performance before deciding whether or not to invest. To attract investors, bookkeeping gives you up to date and easily available information. Financial management. Bookkeeping is essential for keeping track of your company's money. Your income and expenses are displayed in reports. No worries, being a small business owner can be stressful enough. You can rest easy knowing that your business is safe with a complete book. Track profit and growth. Profit is an important indicator for any company. Bookkeeping will enable you to track profit from month to month as well as better understand your business cycles. Better cash flow. Because it helps you to improve your cash flow, bookkeeping is just as crucial as the business itself. It contains all invoice information, including the name of the client or vendor, the amount, the date issued, and the due date. You can keep track of when your customers and vendors pay their invoices by collecting revenues on a regular basis. For planning, bookkeeping aids in the presentation of your company's historical financial success as well as future planning. More focus on strategic planning. As a business owner, you want your company to expand. Therefore, you will need to devise some tactical ideas for how to do so. You can concentrate on your immediate and long term goals using the information from your bookkeeping. You can also keep track of your progress and alter your objectives accordingly. Bookkeeping provides an overview of your business. Financial documents such as a balance sheet, income statement, and bank statement are used in bookkeeping to provide an overview of your organization. These statements contain all of the necessary information for you to access your company's performance. Easier IRS audit. In an internal revenue service audit, bookkeeping serves a greater purpose because it makes the procedure quicker and faster if your books are in order. Required by law. You are required by law to keep financial records for your company, to keep your company from being shut down. Now, I want to talk about the two types of bookkeeping systems used in recording business transactions. They are single entry bookkeeping system and double entry bookkeeping system. The single entry bookkeeping system method of bookkeeping is one-sided accounting entry to maintain financial information. A single entry system does not include equal debit and credit to the balance sheet and income statement accounts. It is not self-balancing. Arithmetic errors in the account totals are thus common. Reconciliation of the books and records to the return is an important audit step. A single entry system may consist only of the transaction posted in a notebook, daybook, or journal. However, it may include a complete set of journals and a ledger providing accounts for all important items. On the other hand, double entry bookkeeping in accounting is a system of bookkeeping where every entry to an account requires a corresponding and opposite entry to a different account. The double entry system has two equal and corresponding sides known as debit and credit. The left-hand side is debit and the right-hand side is credit. In a normal debit account, such as an asset account or an expense account, a debit increases the total quantity of money or financial value, and a credit decreases the amount or value. On the other hand, for an account that is normally credited, such as a liability account or a revenue account, credits increase the account's value and debit decreases that value. In double entry bookkeeping, a transaction always affects at least two accounts, always include at least one debit and one credit, and always has total debits and total credits that are equal. This is to keep the accounting equation in balance. So as a general contractor, you do not want to overlook how important bookkeeping services is to your small business. It will save you from being audited by the IRS and also help you to save money on taxes, which in turn will increase revenue of the business. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.